Good afternoon, everybody. This is Candace Tyler, and I am a marketing associate here at BizIQ. I am reaching out to y'all today because, as you know, last week the marketing department attended LaterCon, a digital Instagram conference. We learned a lot of good material that we are going to be implementing on our own Instagram, so keep a lookout for some changes. But we are also going to be sharing 5 things that we learned from LaterCon with you. First, let's kick it off with link in bio calls to action. Now, if this is a call to action that you typically use, you want to be very descriptive on what your customers are going to find if they do go ahead and click in the link in the bio. You also want to make sure that they are understanding exactly what they need to do in order to get to the link in the bio. Now, a lot of Instagram users may know exactly what that means, but there are going to be some out there that don't. So make sure that you are communicating your message to every Instagram user possible. Next on our list is captions. Now, if you are typically the person who struggles to come up with a perfect caption, we may have just the solution for you. Typically in our Instagram uses, we see a picture, we write a caption. See a picture, write a caption. Find an image, write a caption. Well, if you have a specific message that you want to get across, maybe try writing that caption first and then finding the image. This little switcheroo could be just what you need to upgrade your Instagram and take it to the next level. Influencers. Anyone can be an influencer nowadays, especially when a lot of engagements can be faked, meaning people can buy followers, buy comments, and even buy likes. So how do you combat this? One way would to be post the content on your business page. That way you can get a sense of the engagements you might receive. Number 4, authentic branding. Now, as Matt Riley said in his LaterCon session, the battle for our attention online is fierce. So you need to make sure that your content is authentic and original as possible. If you're struggling to create some authentic and original content, one tip that Matt had was to focus on the 4 truths. This is going to help bring out your authenticity to all of your readers. First truth is your truth. You want your origin story, your mission statement, why your company started in the first place. Second truth, the audience's truth. What need will you be fulfilling for your customers? Why do they want it? What problem is there that you are going to paint yourself as the solution? Truth of the moment. Why is it happening? Why is it critical? Why do your customers need your product? And finally, truth on the views of the world. What is happening in your current culture? And how does that fit into your mission statement? Number 5, how to create videos that convert. You want to be posting videos with very high engagement. Ask your customers questions. Make them think, do they need your product? Do they need the service that you're providing? Another type of video that converts is educational videos. This paints your customers' pain points and then immediately paints you as the solution. You want to create a craving for your product. Another way is Insta Stories. Insta Stories are now an in-person activity. With tools such as polls, questions, and Q&As, you definitely want to make sure that you're utilizing these tools. If you liked this video and you need even more Instagram tips, then head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button, because next week Francesca Reno and I will have a BizIQ and You episode on the best Instagram practices for your business. BizIQ and You is a series that we have started where we talk in depth with our experts in online marketing to give you everything that you need to know to tackle the digital age with confidence. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you have a splendid rest of your day and make good choices.